Hey guys, happy Friday. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of a new construction house. So here we have the plex and the shower. You can see all the framing, all the ductwork is done, the rough electrical, rough plumbing. It's great to see when you're building a house what the bones look like, right? So here we've got 2x12s on the support versus 2x4s right here. Ductwork is already done. We've insulated the roof. This will be the master shower. We got a little window for it here. This is the flue. So when you do new construction, you get to see how the house is built from the ground up. So we're gonna have a 2-story living room here. It's gonna be a living room, kitchen combo. This is gonna be an island right here. Here we've got the sewer line, which is all PVC, all looks good. It's gonna be a toilet there. Here we got the garage. New windows, double pane. New construction house. Get to inspect it from the inside out and make sure it all looks good, and it does. If you guys are interested in any type of new construction, there's some great deals out there. Don't hesitate to let me know. Hope this helps, guys. This is Val Lemoyne signing off.